It's 2:30 in the morning. That's worked out exactly as I'd hoped. Even though the location has changed, some habits don't. It's 2:30 in the morning and I'm just getting this vlog finished up to send to the guys first thing in the morning. You've got to try and keep some sense of familiarity. Hello, so after about 3 hours sleep staying at working last night, I just had my first day at the co-working space and just walking back home. It went really well, people there were lovely, it's nice to meet people, and yeah, kind of really looking forward to starting there and what's going to happen. And look, this is my view for when I walk home, which is very exciting. And yeah, I need to kind of get back into the office and start doing a bit more design work for the afternoon. Visiting a new client on Monday morning. This is a new cocktail bar that's going to open in town and street food bar. Hello. I'm going to keep this short because my car is absolutely roasting at the moment. I'm about to head over to Westmoor to a pub and restaurant and hotel called The Swan, and they are one of the sister branches of the White Hart in Somerton. So that's worked out exactly as I'd hoped, in that I've done the work at one place and now they're inquiring at some of their other branches if I'll go and do the work for them. So I'm going to sort of sweat it out on the M5 for an hour and a bit, and I'll catch up with you once I'm back. Very quickly wants to give you a quick show around of the new, well, what will be my new studio space in the new place. So at the moment, as you can see, it's all still a little bit of stuff to sort out, boxes to unpack and stuff, but I've managed to get a bit of a working space set up and I can start doing some stuff there. But what I really want to do is like this wall here, I want to kind of paint and make a big chalkboard wall, and that's going to be quite good because I do want to start doing more larger scale work, so this will give me good opportunities to get into that and sort of produce more materials for things like social media and like just some general portfolio pieces that are of a bigger scale. So I'm going to have to get up to speed a bit on my DIY skills there and start sorting out this paint that's sort of flaking off and get the sander out and stuff, but that's going to be a fun project. And yeah, looking forward to kind of sharing this space with you as it gets developed and a bit more usable really, but really excited to have somewhere that can actually customise my own sort of working needs. And yeah, it'd be quite cool to see how that coming along, and hopefully a bit more fun for you to see coming along as well as a backdrop for future videos. It's 2:30 in the morning and I'm just getting this vlog finished up to send to the guys first thing in the morning. This video ends in a very similar manner to how it started, with me being up a bit later than I intended finishing the vlog, but I'm in the new space now and it's been like a huge sort of sigh of relief. I'm kind of here, I can now kind of get settled and sort of have a bit of a reset and, you know, just get back onto things. Admittedly, the last few weeks leading up to the move, I've been quite scattered. I've been feeling quite overwhelmed, and I've let a lot of things slide, particularly in terms of work. I've just not been as on it as I would like to be. Now that I'm here, I'm kind of there's still evidently a lot to do. I'm kind of a bit more set up. I can start doing some work again. The idea of having my own place, my own space where I can work and kind of grow and develop my business from has really it has injected me with a fresh sense of focus and enthusiasm. In terms of, right, I'm going to be here a while, let's make a long-term plan for what I want to achieve with my work and my life and my creativity and skills. So that's really awesome. Though, however infused I'm feeling right now, I do still need to sleep. So I'm going to get this wrapped up and we'll rinse and repeat from tomorrow. I hope you've enjoyed this week's vlog. I'd love to hear from you, so please do share your questions and thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this week's video, please do give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to Design Cuts YouTube channel for more fantastic content. I still need someone to write my shopping list though.